Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing vehicle controls in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Vehicle Settings from the left menu. Here you can change the control layout for vehicles and tanks. You can also change the vehicle camera settings here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.